Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna quickly have a quick review of this bad boy. It is a jumbo clamp multi-purpose LED solar wall light. Big name. What's super cool about this thing is it's got a clamp on it, like a massive one, and you can clamp it anywhere. I mean, you can clamp it on your awning, at home, outside, pretty much anywhere. It solar charges and it's got 3 settings on it. The one is just to have a light on it, so it switches on and it keeps staying on. Second one, there's a motion sensor, so you can try to walk past it, have a little dance in the dark, and then you'll see that it switches on. And then after a while, if you stand still, it goes off. So it's not a good thing to use this in your camping toilet, because it's going to look pretty funny if the light goes off and you're going to have to sit there and to try and get the light back on, you know. That's why the constant function is on there as well, so that you can have it on whenever. And if it's too bright for your eyes at 2 o'clock in the morning, there is also a dimming function, and then the light is slightly more dim. Now all you get in the packaging is the light and some brackets if you did want to fix it to anything, but the clamp is pretty good. I've already opened up one, so this is what they look like up close. If you can see all the LEDs, some more LEDs on that side, the motion sensor over here, and there's a button. Now this button is the button that does it all. It's the one button that does it all. Okay, 3 functions, and that's where the button comes in. I'm gonna switch off the light quickly and try and show you how good this thing is, because you can clamp it anywhere. I mean, you can just go to the disco with it if you want to. It's like pretty awesome. Let me show you. Okay, it's not the darkest room this, but let me show you. I'm gonna press it once, and that is on bright. Now it does make pretty lot of light when it's nice and dark, and as you can see, it does do it on both the angles, so you can see it from either way, either side, either angle, from upside down even. You just clamp it onto your awning, clamp it onto your hat. You can use it in the dark. If you're working on your fire or your barbecue even, you can do whatever you want. Okay, so that's setting number 1. Press it again. Now it is on the motion sensor. You see that? The moment I moved, it switched on. And then I'm not too sure how long it stays like that. So let's turn the motion sensor. Oh, you know what? Let's just go like that. Okay. The motion sensor keeps it on. I'm not too sure for how long. I'm gonna have to check the manual again. And then the last one is the dimming function. It's still on, but it's not as bright at 2 in the morning. So, summing up, there's your solar panel at the back. You can put it, it's waterproof. You can put it wherever. Let me switch back on the light. You can't see me. Alright, what I was trying to say is, there's your solar panel, pretty big. It's about the same size as the actual clamp. So, yeah, waterproof. Everybody that's a bit more technical, you get 150 lumens of light out of them. Pretty strong for a little solar light. And that's about it. The funny thing is, or the best thing of all is, it's only 20 bucks at Bunnings here in Australia. 20 Australian dollars. So a thumbs up for this product.